If you're trying to enter in your SIM PIN code or you're trying to change it, but now it asks for a PUK code and you're wondering what that is, how do I find it? I'm going to walk you through all of that. Now let's head into the settings here on your iPhone. Once you're in the settings of your iPhone, you can see midway down is cellular. Just tap on the cellular option here. And now if I tap on SIM PIN, this is most likely where you ran into the issues. If you toggled this on and went through the process of entering the PIN to lock your SIM, you can see it says 3 attempts remaining. If I went through this process and I entered it in incorrectly, I would see a screen that looks like this, and this is probably where you're at. It says, enter PUK for SIM card. It says, SIM cannot be accessed. Please call your carrier to obtain the PUK code, and you have 10 attempts remaining. Now keep in mind, don't just guess what this is, because if you enter in 10 attempts and they are all wrong, all 10 of those attempts are wrong, it will completely disable your SIM card, either your physical SIM card or the eSIM, and you have to go to the carrier and get an entire new one. So keep in mind on this, you need to go to the carrier. So for my case, I have AT&T. So I can type in AT&T PUK code. So PUK is personal unblocking key. And you can see I can go here and it says all I need to do to get my PIN, my PUK code to unlock the SIM is go to my account and you can see I can hit get your PIN unlock key or PUK. Now, all I need to do is go in here and basically I can get that PUK code texted to me or emailed to me, or I can just see it in my basically screen when I log in to AT&T. Whatever carrier you have, again, don't just guess what that code is. You need to, at this point, go to your carrier, and usually they just have an automated way like AT&T where you can just log in and get that code, but make sure you don't just guess what it is.